Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how you can literally block any user on Instagram in a couple seconds. To do that, you just go to Instagram. Now you click search, and you find the profile that you want to block. Let's say, for example, this one here. Open it up. Now, in order to block this profile so that it can't look at our page, we click three dots on the top. And here where we have three dots, we click on the block button. Now click on block or block and report. I just click on block. We just blocked this user. Now refresh the page and it says unblock. So it is blocked. Now to unblock this profile, we just have to go into it and then click on unlock. And then the profile is unblocked. As you can see, this is a very simple and fast way. Done. There is nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.